Anshul, when we talk about the weapon, there are, of course, a lot of talks that there is a hexa blade that was used. There are reports that knife was used. If you could give us more detail as to what weapon was exactly used by the accused here.
The exact type of weapon that was used is something that is being looked into from the side of the Mumbai police. In fact, in the FIR, it has been mentioned that he was attacked by a sharp object. Yes, the part that has come out seems like a hexa blade, but how long was that exactly? Was that hexa blade is something that the police will only be able to find out once either the accused is arrested or the weapon that was used in the scene of crime can actually be recovered. At this point in time, neither of the two has happened, and hence the Mumbai police is keeping absolutely mum as to what kind of weapon might have been used in this entire scene of crime. Apart from this, if we talk about the building and how the accused got the entry, what top sources in the Mumbai police have told CNN News 18 that there are no forced signs of entry inside the residence of Saif Ali Khan. So how did he enter? The Mumbai police is currently working on the theory that the accused might have entered the residence of Saif Ali Khan through the AC duct. Remember, Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor actually stay on the top two floors, which is a duplex apartment of that entire building. And through the AC ducts, what police is suspecting that through the AC duct, the accused came in inside the hall of the residence of Saif Ali Khan, and then eventually went towards the room of Jai, which is the youngest son of Saif Ali Khan, and then and it's at that point that the house help of Saif Ali Khan actually came out and had this entire confrontation, post which Saif Ali Khan intervened and got injured in this entire crime. And once the incident happened, the accused was actually not prepared to face such confrontation, and hence instead of going through the escape route that he might have already planned, he went through these stairs, and it is at that point that he was captured for the first time on the CCTV that was present on the 6th floor of the building. So that is the only piece of evidence that the Mumbai police has at this point in time. The weapon that was used has still not been found. The accused is still at large. There is no direct connection that has been established between the accused or any of the staff that was working inside the residence of Saif Ali Khan. Remember, there was a paint job that was happening on his floor over the last 1 week. 7 to 8 people were working over there. The Mumbai police has started to record their statements as well, but still no direct link has been found from any insider or any staff that was working inside with the accused. But yes, this is suspected at this point in time that the accused had the knowledge, had the exact blueprint of the building, due to which he was able to escape through the CCTVs that have been placed over there. He was able to escape through the guards that are present over there and reach right inside the residence of Saif Ali Khan. So either he might have carried out a recce in some way or the other, or someone from inside the building must have given him the exact blueprint of the building, and as to what routes can he take to enter inside the residence of Saif Ali Khan is something that the Mumbai police is suspecting, and the investigation is going on similar lines.
All right, Anshul, I request you to please stay with us, as I'm also in fact joined by CNN News 18 Sneha, who's reporting live outside the residence of Saif Ali Khan. Sneha, अभी आप क्या देख सकती हैं सैफ अली खान के घर के बाहर? क्या वहां पे अभी भी मुंबई पुलिस का आना जाना है? क्या वहां पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी भी चालू है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। सैफ अली खान का जो सदगुरु श्रवण एक घर है, वहाँ पे 2 पुलिस अधिकारी अभी यहाँ पे पहुँचे गए हैं। यहाँ पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी भी चालू ही है। कल से हम लोग देख रहे हैं, कल से इन्वेस्टिगेशन स्टार्ट हुआ है। कल जो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड और जो केयरटेकर थी, उनका स्टेटमेंट लिया गया था, बट करीना कपूर और सैफ अली खान का स्टेटमेंट अभी तक नहीं लिया गया है। और अभी जो घर है सैफ अली खान का, वहाँ पे घर में करीना कपूर मौजूद है। तो फिर ऐसा बताया जाता है कि जो अधिकारी, पुलिस अधिकारी जो अभी अंदर गए हैं घर में, वो करीना कपूर का स्टेटमेंट लेंगे और सैफ अली खान का स्टेटमेंट कुछ ही देर में लिया जाएगा। हॉस्पिटल में सैफ अली खान है और जो क्राइम ब्रांच के जो लोग हैं वो सैफ अली खान का स्टेटमेंट कुछ ही देर में लेंगे। यहाँ पे कल के दिन में हम लोगों ने देखा क्राइम ब्रांच, फॉरेंसिक टीम और जो पुलिस है, वो 3 टीम यहाँ पे थी घर के यहाँ पे, और इन्वेस्टिगेशन उनका चल रहा था। सुबह से ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा था, बट अभी भी जो इंसान अंदर घुसा हुआ था उसका कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है। सीसीटीवी में थोड़ा सा वो दिख रहा है, बट अभी भी उसका कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है। इसकी वजह से इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो है वो अभी भी फिलहाल चालू है।
और स्नेहा क्या और भी जो जितने भी नेबर्स हैं जो उनके आस पड़ोस में रहते हैं, उस बिल्डिंग में करीब 6 फैमिलीज रहती हैं जो 12 फ्लोर्स का बिल्डिंग है, तो क्या बाकी नेबर्स से भी पूछताछ हो रही है मुंबई पुलिस की?
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल। कल के दिन से ही ये शुरुआत हुई है। जो नेबर्स है उनकी भी पूछताछ जो है वो मुंबई पुलिस ने शुरू की है। कल सुबह से ये सब चल रहा है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है। कल सुबह से जब भी से सिक्योरिटी गार्ड की जब भी ये जवाब स्टेटमेंट लिया जा रहा था, तब भी से जो नेबर्स है, मतलब ये जो अपार्टमेंट है ये बहुत बड़ा अपार्टमेंट है। यही सवाल खड़ा रहता है कि इस बड़े अपार्टमेंट में वो चोर कहाँ से घुसा, कैसे घुसा। इसके वजह से जो नेबर्स है उनकी भी स्टेटमेंट ली जा रही है पुलिस की तरफ से।